Hi friends, I'm David with TuboBiz. I know many of you are interested in sugarcane juice, and did you know that you could control the color of the cane juice that you make? And this is without food coloring. This is just using the sugarcane juice and its natural pigment in the skin. You see here I have peeled sugarcane, and that's mostly what we're using in these videos. And you notice the juice is yellow, and that's because there's no pigmentation and the natural color of the juice inside is yellow. Let's juice it out and fill up this cup, and I'll show you all kinds of different colors. Okay, I'm using here today our TT750D Pro. I'm making a nice yellow color cup of cane juice. Okay, you can see that nice pure color. There's no skin pigmentation inside, and so that makes for the juice to look very, very pure, and it comes out in that yellow color. So next, we're going to make a green color cane juice, and we'll make an attractive light green color. And I'm going to show you the technique here. Look at this cane stalk. What I did is I peeled it halfway. I left half of the skin on it and the other half is off. And so that's like putting natural food coloring in it, because the pigmentation here will become part of the juice. Okay, so let's look at the colors here. Got the yellow one here. Okay. Nice big piece of sugarcane going through our TT750D Pro here. It's a very strong machine. Okay, look at that nice light green colored juice. Isn't that beautiful? And that's because I left a little bit of the skin on. So what you want to do is you want to like make stripes. If you have green color cane, you peel a little bit off and you leave some skin on, and you can come out with this nice green color juice. Okay, next we're going to make a glass here of juice that's got the color will come out pink. Okay, I'm trying to get the last bit of this juice out here. Okay, now, okay, look at that green. Isn't that nice? You see the yellow and the green. So this one had a little bit of skin mixed in it. You want to make those stripes in your cane. And this one is the peeled cane juice. Okay, so now what we're going to make is a cane juice that will have a pinkish color. Okay, I have red cane here. All right, this is a soft variety of sugar cane. It's really great also for eating. And you want to make those stripes in it, send it through your machine, and watch the color. Okay. Look at the color coming out there. See the pink? Okay, so we have our yellow cane juice, we have our pinkish color cane juice here, and we have our green color cane juice. And you can do all kinds of experiments. Mix it up. It's like mixing colors, and you might be surprised at the wonderful color cane juice you can serve your customers. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at sugarcanejuicer@gmail.com, and you can contact us at our website at canemachines.com, where you can find all kinds of wonderful and high quality sugarcane juicing machines. Thank you for watching. I'm David with TuboBiz.